patio expansion joints cracking or separating? You gotta fix that with flexible joint filler or sealant to keep your patio looking solid and lasting longer. So, here's the scoop. When your patio joints start cracking or pulling apart, it's usually because of temperature changes causing the concrete to expand and contract. First off, clean out any dirt or old filler from the cracks using a wire brush or a vacuum, because you want that new stuff to stick well. Next, pick a flexible joint filler or sealant designed for outdoor use, something that can handle weather shifts without cracking again. When you apply it, make sure to press the filler deep into the joint and smooth it out so water doesn't sneak in and cause more damage. Don't rush drying times. Give it at least 24 hours before walking on it. If your patio gets a lot of sun or rain, check the joints every year and top up the filler if you see any wear. Also, avoid using rigid fillers like plain concrete in the joints, because they'll crack fast. Trust me, keeping those joints healthy will save you from bigger repairs down the road. One of the biggest mistakes people make with patio expansion joint repairs is using the wrong filler, like regular caulk or concrete that isn't flexible enough, which just ends up cracking again. The fix? Always use a product labeled flexible or elastomeric for outdoor joints. Another common issue is not cleaning out the joint properly before filling it, so the new sealant doesn't bond and peels off quickly. Take your time to get all the dirt and debris out before you fill. Lastly, people often don't let the filler cure long enough before walking on it, which messes up the seal and shortens its life. Just be patient and follow the drying instructions on the product label. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like patio repairs right. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to find new jobs and grow their business without all the hassle.